Well, good morning. We're almost off to the races here on our day 12. Moving on up to Utah. Last night we pulled up camp in a cow field, which was awesome. We were waiting for the cows to bug us all night, but apparently they made their way over to the water place, and so they were much happier over there. Today, we're gonna push for 20, try and get over to Hutch's pool and set ourselves up for an easy day going up Mount Lemmon, if there's such a thing as an easy day going up Mount Lemmon. But in the meantime, we're gonna have some good time and see not to destroy our feet, and I'm gonna try and work on my attitude. I woke up with a crappy mood today. I guess it's the first crappy mood I've had waking up on the trail, but it was bound to happen. 12 days in, I think I'm doing okay. So, catch you guys later. Bye-bye. Jeff and Ellen. Making some progress. Whew, taking a break. Hot time. Hot child in the city. Do 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 do. Ah. Egregious. That's all I gotta say. Agua caliente molino. You can see the Molina Basin campground and the Catalina Highway. So, just about to some water. This is what they call, in the insiders world, a good water source. Oh, look at that glorious water.
It's cold too.
Oh, it's cold. Wow. What's your evaluation? Yeah, that's right. That's right. So, the trail kind of winds down from there, and then it goes up. I can see it there. I can see it way up there. Oh, so we're gonna go up and over in that direction. That's taken us down into Sabino Canyon, which apparently has a really convenient tram to take us into Tucson if we were so inclined. Unfortunately, we are not so inclined because we're too busy trying to climb that mountain over there.
Trail crossed away.
Mile and a bit before Hutch's pool. Man, the terrain just keeps on giving. That looks gorgeous. It's a tough day. That pinky is just not getting any better. And it's starting to affect the rest of my foot because the rest of my foot's trying to compensate for the fact that the pinky doesn't want any weight on it. I'm feeling a little bit more like I'm starting to limp, which is not good, but we do get a night in a hotel. Not tonight, but the next night, so maybe that'll help a little bit. Otherwise, my next plan 0 is, I think, not for another week. So we'll see how it goes. I don't think I can make it all the way in this.
Oh, you can do it.
No.
Sit down quickly.
30 degrees, but I'll splash myself. Woo! I can
feel all the salt coming off.
I know.